Admittedly, it takes a lot to meal prep, but Charnice always tells me that I'm at my best when I meal prep, and so I wanted to make it a priority this week, and hopefully we're inspiring you to make cooking at home a priority on your journeys as well. Hello ladies! Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Charmaine and I am on a journey to losing 100 pounds. And today we're going to be talking about meal prepping. We're going to be focusing on high protein meals, and I'm so excited because my sister is going to be joining me for today's video.
Hi everyone, my name is Charnice. I'm so excited to be here today to meal prep with you guys. And yeah, I think Charmaine has some really yummy things this week, so I'm excited to show you guys how we prepare things in our kitchen.
So today we're going to be making a couple high protein meals, and it's going to be inspired by our Caribbean culture. So I really wanted to bring in Charnice to help guide me while I'm making this food. She spent more time in the kitchen than I did when we were younger, and so she's really gonna bring that expertise that I'm gonna need in order to enjoy my food this week. Okay, so today we have haddock, we have whiting, we have chicken, and so I'm a little ambitious today. I wanna make 3 meals. I want to do a curry fish meal with some breadfruit. So breadfruit is near and dear to my heart because it's something that I associate with Barbados. We eat a lot of breadfruit when we're there. Our mother cooks breadfruit. We grew up eating breadfruit.
It's a big staple in the Caribbean culture. You can have it roasted, you can have it fried, you can have it like a breadfruit cuckoo where you like boil it and mash it down, and you can have it like in a pie. So it comes like rice, potatoes. Breadfruit is like a staple for us.
Yeah, so today we're gonna mash it, right? We're gonna boil it, we're gonna mash it. So why don't we do that now?
Yeah.
And then we'll get into the other stuff.
Cool. Did you see that? That's what you want. Like I said, that lovely dance off of the floor.
Lovely dance
Beautiful.
off the floor. Okay, Miss Dora, Chef Boyardee.
Alright, I am going to take I'm gonna take this bowl, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the water in that bowl because I'm gonna want it for later when I mash the breadfruit. But for now, I'm gonna take off all the water and just start mashing it.
Let's get started on chopping some of our veggies. So growing up, I always thought cooking was really boring, and I feel like I just have like this go, or used to. I feel like I'm mellowing out now, but I used to have this go mentality of always needing to be doing something. So this wouldn't be like a high priority for me. But now that I'm older, I'm realizing how important it is to take time for things like nourishing your body and just being a part of the process and not relying on fast food. Am I bored now? Perhaps. But is this going to help me reach my higher self or the ideal version of myself? Yes.
So this is our salad. I added a little bit of red sweet pepper and also some romaine lettuce. Now I'm going to add in the feta. And for dressing, I'm just gonna do a little bit of Caesar dressing and lemon.
So for the curry, we're gonna be using whiting as our fish, and I'm just gonna prep it with some curry powder, salt, pepper, you know, all the usual suspects so that the fish can have some flavor before we put it into the curry. So let's start with that. Okay, so now that our fish is well seasoned, I'm gonna go ahead and actually start the curry. Offline, I chopped some onion, garlic, and pepper. Forgot the ginger, but it's okay. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, yeah, let me give you guys an update because I had to take a break. I've been so exhausted. But the breadfruit is finished, so we turned that off. My curry is complete, so we put it in a bowl.
It smells so good.
It tastes good too.
And it looks good.
The salad is done. We are just prepping the fish sticks. And then we are gonna pan fry them. I wanted to bake them, but Charmaine.
Listen, I think life is all about balance. And even when you know you're on a health journey, you can't like just abruptly take out everything that you love in life. So we're gonna, like, if we want tasty food, fine. But we're going to make better decisions. Use better oil. Use better oil.
Girl, we already balancing.
The fish sticks is the treat.
But we already balancing with the with the dang flour. All right. You like a little dust.
I like dust.
We're a work in progress, ladies. We're a work in progress.
Yeah,
you know?
one step at a time.
First step, cooking in the home. Second step, maybe we'll do the oven fry next time. Okay, and last but not least, let's make our buff chick dip. It's gonna be super simple, super easy for us to make. Okay, so last but not least, we are going to do our buff chick dip. I already cooked the chicken and shredded it, and so now I'm going to just put some stuff in here. So first, to make this high protein, we are going to use some cottage cheese. So I'm just gonna dump some in here. A good set. Okay, so now that we've added our cottage cheese, now we're going to use some Frank's Red Hot. And then we're gonna add a little bit of mozzarella. Ooh.
Let's get into the hair. The hair, like Charmaine has had this hairstyle for like a week now. Is it a week?
Over a week, I guess.
A little over a week, and it still looks so beautiful.
Oh, thanks, Charnice.
You're welcome.
My sister did it for me. You might know her. Her name's Charnice.
Oh my gosh, I heard that she's like amazing.
She's pretty great. She's a doctor. She's a business owner. She's just such a great sister. Ride or die.
Period. I don't want to die though, but
no dying.
No dying. We riding for life.
We riding, girl. Okay. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of mozzarella on top, and you know, I'm feeling a little razzle-dazzle, so we're gonna put a little bit of pancetta on top.
Oh.
Too. You can tell we are, you know, on a journey, not there yet. Alright, so some mozzarella. I think that's good, right?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay, ladies, that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Just to recap, we cooked
You said our channel.
Just to recap, we cooked high protein buff chick dip. We cooked fish sticks.
Yes, with tartar sauce.
We have some garlic herb breadfruit mash. And we also have the curry whiting. And our salad.
Yeah. So we're gonna be eating really good this week.
Yes. And we are just thankful that you guys joined us and came into our kitchen. Admittedly, it takes a lot to meal prep, but Charnice always tells me that I'm at my best when I meal prep, and so I wanted to make it a priority this week, and hopefully we're inspiring you to make cooking at home a priority on your journeys as well.
Yeah, for sure.
Any parting words, Charnice?
You did such a good job today. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
She like Charmaine cooks and she cooks well, but she's not used to spending lots of time in the kitchen. And you know, I think that today she conquered something that she doesn't usually do. So I'm proud of you.
Thanks. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.